I'm just cool like that. This is gonna be so bad. I know, right? I'm so clever. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel where I strive to post weekly fashion videos, but sometimes, no, most of the times, I fail in doing that because so today's video happened because I was looking through my closet and I found some pieces of clothing that I didn't like anymore. So I decided to throw it in my donation box, but I got an idea sparked in my mind to save these pieces of clothing with just this standard kitchen scissors straight from my kitchen. I literally just went downstairs and brought these scissors. So yeah, I'm just cool like that. Alright, and I know what you guys are thinking, but my name is Adil and I am an expert in this field. So yeah, you can trust me. Alright, so the first piece of clothing is this vertical striped shirt. I don't know why I bought this. Probably because it was on sale. Like, I honestly wore this shirt 2 times. Along the neck and wrist area, there's a black, white, and red pattern, which I don't like, so I will attempt to cut it off. You just gotta go slow and take your time, because once you cut something off, it will most likely not come back. So yeah, take your time, please. Here's the end result. I think it came out pretty nice. I know that my cutting was kind of uneven, and you're gonna see that throughout this whole video, but I think the uneven cutting gave a cool and rough and rigid look to the shirt, and I think that feeds into the streetwear vibe of the shirt, if that makes any sense to you. Alright, so the next piece is this blue windbreaker, which I also hate. And the funny thing is, a lot of people tell me that they like this windbreaker, but oh well, I hate it. So yeah, I'm gonna cut it up with my kitchen scissors. I'm gonna try to shorten the wrist and also cut off the hood. This was kind of annoying because of the zipper. I had to make a choice of cutting through the zipper and leaving the front part wide open, or keeping the zipper and having a flap sit around my neck. So I chose to keep the zipper, but I don't know, I might change it. Tell me what you guys think in the comment section below. It came out pretty nice, so I decided to like just zipper it down because I think it looks nice like that. I don't know, when I zipper it up, it looks like this and it looks horrible, so I just put it down. I honestly could have cut the zipper, but I feel like that was too much effort, and juggling between my laziness and homework, I decided to leave it. I don't know. But I think it's on to the last piece, which is this short kameez. If you guys don't know what that is, please watch my last video, which explains everything about this particular piece of clothing. It's gonna be in the link in the description below. For this piece, honestly, I didn't even plan on throwing it out. I just want to cut the collar off with my kitchen scissors. So that's why I thought this would be awesome to put in this video. It turned out to look amazing, and I think this is definitely my favorite kitchen scissor experiment in today's video. So that's all I have for you guys today. Please show love and support. Please subscribe. Bye. Get out of here. Go. I don't want you here anymore.